Welcome to our 12 days of Christmas in the kitchen. Come with me as I share how we celebrate the 12 days of Christmas in our family. Each day I'll be sharing a recipe. Some are part of our yearly traditions and some are brand new to us this year. I am so excited to bring you along and share each one. Day 3 brings us 3 French hens, and today's treat is orange and honey shortbread cookies. Buttery, tender, and lightly citrusy, these cookies feel elegant yet comforting. The honey adds warmth, the orange brightens everything, and the shortbread just melts away. This is the kind of recipe that feels like it belongs on a quiet afternoon with tea and soft music in the background. Today I'm working on some orange and honey shortbread cookies. In my bowl I have put in 1 cup of unsalted butter. I've put in half a cup of honey and half a cup of powdered sugar. Once I cream all this together, I'm going to add my dry ingredients, which include flour, orange zest, and salt. I'm also going to include some vanilla extract, I will then chill it in the refrigerator for up to 45 minutes, after which I will cut them into shapes. I've just added my 2 cups of flour and my 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. It smells so good with the orange zest. You can add up to 2.5 cups of flour, so I'm going to add another 1/2 cup. Alright, I'm going to turn this out and pull this together by hand. This dough is looking wonderful. It's come together nicely. All my ingredients are incorporated. So I'm going to put this in my fridge to chill. This looks amazing. I will be sure to list all the recipes in the description box down below. I will include links to any recipes that are not my own. Some of these recipes are my own and are available in my cookbook. I will leave a link to that cookbook, which is available on Amazon, in the description box below. I will also leave the recipe here on the screen for you so that you can screenshot the video and save the recipe. Thanks so much for spending this time with me in my kitchen each day. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.